What's up, guys? So back with another video here. I haven't done a video in about 2 months. I am sorry for that. I've just been busy with different things, life. For everybody that doesn't follow me on Twitter, I recently picked up a Tesla Model 3 and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of their key fob. I actually thought I would pick one of these up. I saw it in stock. They're actually kind of rare to find, but this is what the box looks like. It's pretty nice. It's almost like a iPhone unboxing experience. Pardon the stutter. I don't want to show what numbers are there. I'm not sure if they're. But the box is almost like an Apple experience, kind of like something MKBHD would like, matte black and red. Anyway, let's get to the goods. I actually did already open this up, so I am kind of cheating, but you'll get the idea. So you open it up, and you're brought with a little Model 3. And that's exactly like my car. I will have some videos about my car. My car is black, only it doesn't have the chrome around the windows. So you have that, and you have setup instructions, which is here. Step 1, press the car button. Step 2, press the lock button. Step 3, press the plus button, and then you're going to add it. And when we take the key fob out, there originally was 2 batteries here. They're not there now because I did actually set this up. Now, I did see online where some people were finding lassos or things to put around their neck, keychain. I don't see it anywhere in this box. This was $150. This is what you get for that $150. This is plastic. This is not metal or, anything nice, so to speak. You have to pry it from here in order to get at the battery. It takes a single battery, and that's where you would put the lanyard. That's the word I was looking for. Around. Now I'm not sure how you would get a keychain in there. Maybe you would attach a lanyard to it and then lanyard to keychain or something like that. Now, do I think this is worth it? No. Do I think it's cool? Kinda. I mean, they should have made it out of metal or something like that. And they definitely should have given you something to attach this to your keychain. I mean, what are you supposed to do with this? And you know how easy this would be to lose? So, am I going to keep it? Yeah, I don't know. I have it up on Twitter for sale if anybody wants to buy it. I don't know. Do I think you should buy it? The only time I think anybody should buy this is if they don't carry a phone. You don't want to use the included RFID keys. This is easier. You just press the button and you can do different things. Pop the frunk, press this twice. Trunk, press this twice. Open the door, press this twice. Close the door, press this twice. And it's pretty much as easy as that. The only thing is, you can't get this onto your keychain for $150. With tax and all, it comes out to $175, give or take. But you get the drift. I'm gonna have different videos around my Model 3. I'm gonna show you some modifications I made and some upcoming modifications. Alrighty, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe. Drop me a thumbs up. As I said, I am sorry about not making videos in the past. I'm going to try to make up for it with some more better things. You get where I'm going. All right, I've had a long day. We'll get into that with another video. Alrighty, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Laters.